everyone, welcome to my channel, the HowStation. So guys, I'm wearing these really cool goggles that I've made myself. Yes, I've made these, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make them. They're like super cool and you can just wear them when you're having like a themed party or anything. Now I've kept them like pretty simple. They aren't over the top because I don't like over the top things, but if you want you can like take inspiration, see how to create them, and then create something which matches your style and your personality. And yeah, just look at them. Aren't they like really amazing? Yeah. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to make these wire goggles. They are pretty easy to make and very useful for the parties, for theme parties and everything. So without wasting any more time, let's begin with the video. To make the wire goggles, I've got these flexible wires. Two of them are big. They are about 64 centimeters each, and this smaller one is something about 8 centimeters. So I'm going to keep this small one and one of the bigger wires aside for the time being, and I'm going to take one and fold it into a proper half and start twisting it together. So here is my wire properly twisted together. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave about 13 centimeters from one end and I'm going to twist it like this to make a small loop. So here, as you can see, I've made a small loop over here, and then I'm going to take a round lid of a container and I'm going to wrap the remaining wire onto the lid to get a round shape. Then I'll pass the excess wire through the loop I just made and twist it onto the remaining wire. I'll then take the circle out from the lid and straighten the wire and curve it from the end. So this is going to act as the base for one eye, and I'm going to repeat this step with the other wire for my other eye. So here I have both my pieces ready for both my eyes, and my goggles are coming together. Now I'm going to take my smaller piece and I'm going to join these two pieces with the help of the smaller one. I'm just going to hold it in the center and I'm going to twist it. It's a little bit tricky while doing this because it keeps on moving from here to there, but just hold it a bit tightly and you'll get it right. So here I have joined both the pieces, but as you can see it's a bit flimsy and even the smaller wire or the portion that is going to be sitting on my nose is not stable or steady. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick this in one place using some hot glue. So I'm just going to add a drop of hot glue and then I'll let it cool down a little bit and then shape it with my fingers so that it doesn't look messy. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. And now as you can see it's much more steady than before. I'm just going to curve the middle portion a little bit just like we do to our glasses. And then I'll keep the glasses aside and I'll take an OHP sheet and with the same lid which I used to make the rounds of my glasses, I'll draw two circles on this OHP sheet and I'll cut it out. So here are my two circles. I'll just keep them aside, then I'll take my goggles and then I'll add a thin layer of hot glue onto the edges of the frames and I'll stick the circles onto it. So here are my goggles after the circles of the OHP sheets are stuck on them. Now I'm going to add some hot glue onto the OHP sheet and I'm going to start sticking these thermocol balls onto it. Now I'll just complete this off camera because the fan was turned on and the thermocol balls are just flying from here and there. I'm just going to do this on both the sides. And once that is done, this is how it will look. I'm just going to add a little bit of hot glue onto the centerpiece so that I don't hurt myself with any pointed wire or anything. I'm going to do the same thing on this portion as well for the same reason. And I'm just going to add a little bit of extra glue onto the ends because that's where the pointed edges actually are. And once that is done, my goggles are ready. So guys, this was how I made these amazing goggles. Very easy, right? You can try out different shapes, different sizes, different patterns, anything, whatever you like as per your personality, as per your liking, as per your choice. And yeah, so that's it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed watching it. If you all did, don't forget to hit the like button down there. Also, tell me in the comments down below on how you thought the video was. If there are any suggestions, feedbacks, or anything that you would like me to know, you can do that as well in the comments down below. Share the super cool video with your friends and family, and please do hit the subscribe button. We are very close to reaching 5,000 subscribers. We reached 5,000 subscribers on the 30th of March, and that's such an amazing feeling. I want to thank all of you guys for that. But this outro was filmed before reaching 5,000, so never mind. But still, if you haven't yet subscribed, do subscribe because the next target is going to be bigger and better. So yeah, please subscribe to my channel by clicking on the circle over here that has got my face in it. You can watch my previous 2 videos over here, and I've even got a travel channel on which I make travel videos. You can watch that over here. So that's it for today's video. I'll see you guys in my next one. Until then, have a good day, goodbye, take care, goodbye.